viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are a first timer, please do subscribe to my channel Sudhapa's Alpha Kids. Now wishing you health and happiness, let me straight away plunge into the video. And one more thing, since I am shooting two back-to-back videos, my voice is a little cracked. So yeah, excuse me. This video's topic is copying from board. Well, it might seem a little irrelevant at this point of time, since all sorts of education are being done through digital platform, through electronic media. It might seem a little irrelevant, but it is not so. It is extremely crucial to special education, and learners with developmental disorder do face this challenge. And it's a common complaint from school people to the parents that the child cannot copy from board. Even if the child is attending inclusive setup, they must know how to copy from board. And the first and foremost thing that the families should do is eliminate the doubt of the child having any visual problem or any visual challenges. Once that is done, they should work on teaching how to copy from board. Some parents think that the child is in the reading stage or a writing stage, so why they cannot copy from board? Well, it is a different skill, so you need to, and everything is taught to them. Most of the skills are taught, they learn is taught to them. So this skill also needs to be taught, and you should teach it at home itself. And since it is a very important topic, once the children start visiting the normal physical offline classes, fingers crossed, hope that happens very soon. I think this is going to be a useful skill, and children should know this. Now for first timer, the children should, those who have already attained the reading and writing skill, for them you can start with copying in the copy itself. Now in the first stage, when the child already knows, you can start using this kind of worksheets. Like this is a clue box. The child should read from here and write here. So this is a kind of practice in the worksheet itself. So how to see, copy and write. So this kind of worksheet needs to be done a lot at home to make them understand and also get practiced to this concept of copying from board. See, these are small, just three letter words. They can easily read and write. If you find the child is still distracted, you can use two words and then make them write. Then after this kind of worksheets, you will make them write in the next sheet, maybe here. The child will read from here and write here. The attention span is getting increased this way, and the child will learn to do the same in the classroom also. See, then copy. The child will see here and copy. Then also 2-3 pages after also you can do this. After practicing, after the child has learned to do this thoroughly, you can start copying, make them copying from board itself. You should ask them first. I have seen that children learn to copy faster when it comes to numbers. So make them first start with numbers. Let them write some 2, 3, 4 numbers on the board, or their birth date or anything which is interesting, and then make them, the child will see and copy. The child will see and copy. So this kind of practice also needs to be done a lot at home, so that the child is very used to this skill. And then slowly you can increase the distance between the board and the notebook of the child, and also make them this is a habit, because always the child, the teacher cannot make the child sit in the front row or in the very first bench. So the child needs to understand that I have to copy from wherever I have been seated. So slowly you can increase the distance between the board and where the child is sitting, and that way the attention level is also increased, and obviously the skill of copying from board is also increased. So please do practice it, because this is a very common complaint that the school people do to the parents, that the child is not writing anything from the board, and teacher has to write it in their diary, write their homework, everything, because the child is unable to hold that kind of attention. Sometimes you can request the teacher, if the child is in the practice mode of copying from board at home, you can request the teacher, please help us by making them read one word at a time, and so that the child can follow, and then the teacher can help. Because 2-3 sessions or 1 week, the teacher can help this way, because the child is attending the inclusive setup, and teachers are sensitized. They know that the child needs a little bit of more help than the others do. So you can request the teacher, if he or she complies, you can make the child learn copy from board in the school as well as at home simultaneously. Now copying from board is also very important, not just to increase the attention level and instruction following, but also because the child will gain a lot of confidence, which I have seen the child fail in having a proper confidence level, because the child is always reviewed by the teacher, or even the classmates are not that cooperating, that everybody is writing from the board, I am not being able to write from the board. So that kind of complexities develop in the mind, and they do lack in confidence level when it comes to copying from board, I've seen. So please do start teaching them at home, because children are all at home, and it will be easier for you to teach them right now, because once the school and everything starts, it is difficult to make them learn a new skill altogether, along with other things which will be happening at the same time. So yeah, I'll wrap it up here, and please do practice and let me know wherever you are feeling that it is not working, and definitely it will benefit your child. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.